welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, that means you're interested in checking out the new RevAir blow dryer. First thing that I would like to say is that RevAir has really outdid themselves with this packaging, y'all. I absolutely love and genuinely appreciate the TLC that they put into this packaging. It comes with a variety of accessories that tend to the care of our natural hair, y'all. A few of my favorite things that they package in the accessories are the RevAir clips, wide tooth comb, and my favorite has to be the microfiber towel. Absolutely love how versatile they are with their instructions. They have a QR code that you can scan to watch a quick video on how to put your blow dryer together. All of their information is located on their website, so if there's anything that you need, you can find it there. This blow dryer works for all hair types, which I absolutely love. Since there's a versatile amount of curly headed girls on this earth, I'm very appreciative that they could cater to us all. If you find that throughout the video you are highly interested in purchasing this outstanding blow dryer, please check my description for the link and the discount code. Now we can hop straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? We are using the RevAir blow dryer, you guys. So I'm really excited to try this. I don't know how to use it, but I watched a few videos, so we're gonna see how this works. I think I have like a curly coily hair texture, so we're gonna see how it works, y'all. So we have a level at the side. I think this is the amount of tension that you're gonna be putting on your hair. So it's level 0 to 7. So I think I'm gonna do 7 just because I want a straight look. Not straight, but like as blow dried as possible. This is high heat at the top, and the middle is going to be cool, which is no heat, and then the bottom is low heat. Let's start by unraveling my hair. So don't judge, y'all. But this is a nice microfiber towel that they provided in their kit, which I really love. It is super thick, like they did good with this. So this is what we're starting with. So I already sectioned off my hair. Now I'm just going to detangle it a little bit more. Now we're going to use our clips from RevAir. They provided these as well. I'm going to clip our sections away. Alright. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm going to use the comb that they also provided and just make sure it's detangled. Which is looking like it is. Nice. I'm nervous. Okay. I'm going to do 7. So it's about to get loud in here first. So we're going to put on the RevAir first, and then we're going to let our hair go ahead and go in. And we're going to leave this on for about 60 to 90 seconds. So let's see what it does. As we're getting started to blow dry our hair, I did want to mention that if you have a hair type like mine to where it's thicker, I think this section that I'm doing now was perfect. I don't think it was too much or too small. I feel like the back of my hair is a little looser than the middle of my hair, so in the middle to the crown of my head, I really feel like I should have done smaller sections just because my hair is thicker in those areas. So if you have thick hair like me, just work in small sections. I'm moving it around in certain areas to get my root, but nonetheless this application process is so easy. I'm really enjoying how I don't have to do much of anything. I'm not hurting myself while I'm blow drying my hair. I am just literally tapping it on my scalp. I also put a stopwatch on the screen just so you guys can see in real time how long it takes. I felt comfortable doing the 90-second mark just because I know my hair is thicker and I want to make sure that it can get as blow dried as possible. So I noticed as I did smaller sections, it took less than 90 seconds. highly impressed right now. You guys, whoa. Oh my god. I didn't expect this. Wow. Would you look at that? It just blow dried my hair. Ah, that is so cool. I'm excited. This is different, you guys. That was so cool, guys. So what I did was I alternated from high heat to low heat. I felt like the high heat was a little too high, but it's good to do that in the beginning versus doing it the whole time. So that's what I did. I can't believe that just happened. Wow. Alright, y'all. Oh my god, the machine just blew through my hair. This is like as close as we're getting to a robot. For right now. Wow, you guys. Okay. This is my hair. What do you guys think? Oh my god. I just blew through my hair. It's like I'm really in shock right now because I did not think, well, I don't know. I knew it would work, but it's like doing it is completely different from watching it on YouTube. So yeah, this is great. I mean, I would totally recommend this to definitely like moms with kids because I feel like it's tension free. Like you don't feel any pain at all. There's no tugging, like nobody's gonna cry. It's really, that part is taken care of. For some reason, this side is a little bit more poofier than this side. I don't know what I did wrong, but maybe sections. I think sections is important. So like doing smaller sections if you have thicker hair. Otherwise, if you have thinner hair, you can do big sections if you have thinner hair. So yeah, I mean, other than that, if I have to rate it, for me, it's a 10 out of 10. I really like it. Oh, another con. It's kind of heavy. So like holding it is a little heavy. But most blow dryers are heavy. But since this is all like robotic, what do you mean? Like I expect it to have a little weight to it. But yeah, it's a little heavy just holding it. So probably holding it from right here is most comfortable to me. But I have to keep on like putting it in different areas to get my roots. So yeah, that would be the only other thing. They give us a nice little storage bag, which I really love. And if you have a big house, you'll find a spot. But if you have a small house, you're going to have to find a place to make it work. So yeah, I could definitely comb through my hair, which I like. Next time, I will use a heat protectant before. It said, like, don't put any oils. Use oils after. But I don't know. So I need to use heat protectant next time. But they say this is a better heat. Whatever they use is better. So, yeah. But other than that, this is my final result, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys will buy it. But I do have a discount code in my description box, and I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.